Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 27002.0 CDTI long wheelbase, combi factory-fitted 9-seater minibus. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 269148. MOT, 12 February 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 PSE UR05. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear seating area is in decent, average condition. Genuine well-maintained minibus grin. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074